Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today, I just received a box from one of my subscription brands, BoxyCharm. And ever since they introduced the Afterpay feature, the installment pay plan here, I'm taking advantage. So I have in here, first of all, I need my reading glasses. And let's dive in. The first thing I have in here is from Kors, and this is their Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink. I'm all about the skincare. If you follow this channel, you know skincare, hair care, and makeup. This is my thing. So let's see what this bottle looks like. Ooh, this is a pretty bottle. Get that. Santorini grape. So it has what looks like a little dropper feature. It does. Let me just show that. And it is glass. Hear that? That is no joke. So I'm just gonna put a little on here. It has a slight scent, but not anything overbearing. So that's nice. I'm just gonna trying to make sure that this bottle doesn't drop anywhere. And it pretty much goes into the skin. It feels a little slightly slick, but it does go into the skin quite nicely. Oh, never mind that. Have a little makeup there. I just removed it really quick. And it smells like, has a nice faint scent, but very nice. Ooh, this is from a company called Lucky Glow. True and Luscious. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. For a moment I thought it was from Ofra, but no. This is the palette that you see in here. This is a bronze and highlight palette. Ooh, nice. Okay, oh, so it comes off like this, and we open it. Oh, wow. Let me see if I can show this to you real quick. Is that gorgeous or is that gorgeous? Ooh, I can't wait to play with this. I can't wait. Don't worry, these products will be featured in upcoming videos. So, yay! So excited. All right, so the next thing I have here is from OC. Or is it OC? OC, can you see? Maybe? Sea Minerals Mist. And I know I've received products from them. This here, seaweed looks good on you. I think I have, yeah. Ooh, this is a pretty bottle. This is a mist. Clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, gluten-free, California made. All right. This is the bottle. Even matches my background a bit. Feels very green. Balanced mineral hydration, supercharged toning mist to balance, hydrate, and soothe. Organic seaweed, aloe vera, and mineral peptides restore skin's mineral balance all day. It says to mist generously. Use to tone, refresh, and set makeup. Soothing after sun elixir. Store chilled if desired. And it's a glass bottle. Has some weight. Let's see how it feels, because I could use some refreshing on my face. So it's a pretty strong spray. It's not exactly light, but at least it's not punching me in the face either. I don't really smell anything overt. For Sally, the rose gold skin mist. What? Yes. Ooh, okay. I've been eyeing this and I kept telling myself, am I gonna get that? Am I ever gonna get that? And I got it. So I'm like really excited about this. Really excited to try out anything from this brand, to be quite honest. So here is the bottle. Very sexy, very clean. And if you look closely, it looks like there's something suspended in there, like gold flakes. Can you see that? Look, look, look. Can you see that? Can I focus? Isn't that interesting? What? Okay, that looks very interesting. Rose gold skin mist. It has little flecks in there. Very nice. So, I already spritzed something on my face, but hey, why not? Let's try that. Okay, maybe it's, oh, doesn't smell like anything. Wait a minute. Oop. I don't know, I get this. Ooh, okay, that was a little potent. So keep your eyes closed when you do this and keep your mouth closed as well. It's almost like a clean soap / slightly vinegarish type of smell. I believe I have something here. Oh, a Cupid eyeshadow palette. And this is from Natasha Denona. Ooh, okay. Ever since they've had this like add-on feature and sales going on, like with BoxyCharm, I've been able to acquire some really interesting, more on the pricier side labels, which has been really, really cool. And look how gorgeous that is. Oof, I will be featuring this, of course, in a near future video. Oh, but those colors are gorgeous. Love it. And it's solid, even though it's plastic, it's pretty solid. But yeah, those colors are pretty. I can't wait to dive in. But again, I'm gonna save this for an upcoming video. All right, the next thing I have here is from Zoeva, and this is their Spice of Life. I'm really loving that. What is this? A highlighter. Ooh, okay. So let's take off the cover here. Okay, and it has a little protective cover there. And these are the flavors that are inside. I call them flavors because they look juicy and yummy. So one's called Sweet Relief, which is this one. And this one is called Sinfully Delicious. Feels slightly rough on both of them. So let's see. That's how they look. They match what's in here. So that's sweet. It's really nice. I will be reviewing this in a future video. Does this have a scent? No. So that's good. This is from Huda Beauty. Look at that. All right, what's this? This is Topaz Obsessions. Ready? Oh, look at that. That just reminds me of already October, like with pumpkins. Aether Beauty. You see that? Features and benefits. What is this? This is Supernova Crush Diamond Highlighter. I love highlighters. That's my thing. Like if I can have clear, moisturized, protected skin, you know, and a highlighter, maybe a little blush. Oh my gosh, that's like, it's hot. It's like a great look to have, whether it's summer or fall. And I love how the packaging, like look at this. That's so interesting. And this is the back. It says, keep your feet on the earth, your head in the cosmos. And this is the front of the packaging. I know I got something recently from them, like an eyeshadow palette, I think. Because this packaging kind of looks familiar. It's like a little 3D effect that's kind of raised. Let's see if can you see how it's raised a little bit there on the ridge? Yeah. So let's see how this looks. Take this little thing off. Ooh, something just flew out. I think it was the little card. And there is, wow, that looks so pretty. And then the back, it shows the color. Look at that. I am loving this. So I'm gonna do this. Ooh, okay. It has a little grit to it. Whoa, that is potent. So let's see how that looks. Look at that. It's like liquid gold. Gorgeous. What's the next thing? Ah, this is also from Zoeva, and this is their Matte Voyager. Ooh, you see that lovely packaging there. I wonder what this is. Let's see if I can get it out of its packaging real quick and show you. So cute. Oh, look how adorable. And it has these colors in there. It's like, oh, what is this? What is that? Is that a piece of plastic or something? I don't know. Okay. This is for my personal use anyway. I will definitely be playing with this in an upcoming video just to see what that's about. This is gorgeous. And this comes off looking like a slightly pale green, but I think this is actually like a base color. So very Moorish in a way. And this feels slightly raised. So wow, yeah, this is like slightly raised. I could touch it and it's, I like that. The packaging is very pretty. Nice. And keep going. What else? Oh, got something from Smashbox. And this is their Cover Shot Golden Hour Eye Palette. What? Oh, and this is what it looks like here. Oh my goodness, Smashbox. I haven't seen you in a hot minute. Just wanna show you what it looks like. And if you look closely, it kind of moves the background. Wow, that's really pretty. Let's open it up and see. This is very cute. It's a very neutral type of palette, but I'm loving it. I'm here for it. This is from the company Han. You see that? And this is their all natural multi-stick in the shade Rose Berry. I'm already intrigued because it's like this little thing, like what could it do? But you never know. Big things do come in small packages at times. Just saying. Interesting packaging. Packaging looks familiar, standard for a stick. Oh, that color is everything. That is a gorgeous color. It does have a scent. It smells slightly like cake, so if you're not into any scents, this may not be for you. But I just want to see. Oh, what a lovely color. Look at that. Lush. It's from Elizabeth Mott. Yes. And this is Show Me Your Cheeks. It's very peachy. Peach pink, they call this. Show me your cheeks. Oh, and that's it. This works for my skin tone because I have neutral skin tone, so it feels smooth. It also looks like it has a bit of a glow or a shimmer to it. Let me put it here real quick so you can see. It's very pale, but it does have a glow to it. I don't think you could see it there, so I'm gonna try to put it on this side since I have the other cheek stuff there. Okay, so this is how it looks. And you see it has a little bit, like a hint of shimmer in it. I paid maybe $40, $50 tops for all of that. So are you a charmer? Do you take advantage of the sales that go on, the add-ons and the flash sales? Let me know in the comments below. I am like so thrilled by everything I got. Plus, it's stuff that I knew that I wanted. I'm here for it. I'm loving everything, and I will be posting videos soon on, if not all, then most of these products. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing with BoxyCharm, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.